to go. You have to go to school. Go on, go on. Here is something to get your
no, look at that again.
books with. Money.
It's giving him money. Can you come over to this page?
What do you have there? You can do something good with it.
We're standing by to talk to you. The 3 best days
Oh,
of a farmer's life. The day we moved into our house.
come with us and see what you can do.
Okay, next page.
Money to help you get the things you hope for someday.
Come on, baby.
If you're a homeowner age 62 or older, need one with an existing mortgage, call Wells Fargo, the #1 retail reverse mortgage lender at 1-866-723-3523. Now my house is
What's this one say?
Try sounding it out.
It's great.
Put
No.
Stay in your home.
That's an M.
And it won't affect your Medicare or
Make
Social Security. Call
it
1-866-723-3523.
down in here.
And you'll also get the
Down
reverse
in
mortgage information guide.
this spot.
The day our house began taking care of us.
Good, good. Now go away.
John McCain
Okay.
is said to have a reputation as a maverick, and he likes that. Sells well. But Barack Obama has another level.
What's Pinocchio doing?
He's going away. I told him to go away, and he's upset because he lost his money. Keep reading, please.
McCain and Bush. Really, Shepard? Yeah.
To
Listen to what
Oh.
Obama's been saying.
oh, now,
No.
oh my, now get it,
No, read it again. Oh, again, sorry.
get it out.
John McCain is a genuine American hero. He is running for George Bush's 3rd term.
This
John McCain actually
is
wants to double down on the failed policies
for
that produced this
us.
benefits.
Now, one with it.
There you go, and you're doing a great job. Can you turn the page?
What's the cat doing?
He's trying to get the money.
That picture is not one John McCain wants to be seen.
Can you read this one?
Yeah. Here, move your hand so I can see the words. Where is my little boy? Where, oh where? I will go look for my boy.
Marianne, is this working?
Here I go away in my boat
Let's face it, I mean, over time,
to find my boy.
have been oil and water, haven't they?
Turn the page.
And that's the last time John McCain ran for president. When you run for president, you're a blank slate to voters, and that's what's happened here with John McCain.
Read this one.
Okay. Oh, what is this? Something big, big, big. What will it do to me?
So when he says things like John McCain's going to be the 3rd George Bush term, voters are
Now read your page.
Erica Anderson, what is it that
Oh,
John McCain can do
oh,
to sort of
here
shift this
I
label that's
go.
pinned upon him?
Okay, flip the page.
Why is he going in here?
Because the whale is swallowing him.
big Bush term. But the truth is,
Can you turn the page, honey?
20-year Senate record, you can see that he's very different from George Bush. In fact,
Here
he has,
comes
been more
something.
bipartisan than probably any other nominee for
Look.
president that we've seen in a very long time.
What
I think that the voters are really going to
is
easy
this?
is pretty ridiculous.
Bipartisan legislation is something you look up, and that's a fact.
What?
Oops, you forgot. Look.
What?
No, look at the line above it. Look.
What?
No.
What am I?
No, you forgot this line right here.
Look at me now. What
It is. I mean, they got there by taking
am
votes and showing where John McCain marched in lockstep with George Bush.
What
and the fact
am
that George Bush
You
is
forgot this word. Well, you're forgetting words.
even Republicans That's really starting to hurt McCain. You not only
What and what?
there's a reason John
There's a
McCain
word here that you forgot.
speech he gave to today. If it wasn't hurting him, he wouldn't have addressed it. The problem is neither McCain nor the Republicans
Okay, turn the page.
can combat it because they don't have the credibility.
Honey,
with the
you have to keep on reading if you want me to videotape all of this, okay?
What?
It's been playing a part in all of
What?
this. Listen to the
What?
hand that they have.
What?
I don't believe we're headed into a recession.
I do not want to watch.
Come on.
I do
Nick Cousins, too.
not like this.
I don't think that's the case.
I
mean, yeah, of course there
want
will be some policies
my
that push
father.
But the fact of the matter is that McCain is so...
You want me to read this page? You are no good to me. You do not
No,
work.
I don't.
Okay, sorry.
You are not good
No,
to
read that again.
You
energy on immigration,
are not.
No, that doesn't say not.
so vastly different from
You
it's almost
are.
ridiculous to make that kind of a comparison. It's just an easy target and...
What this would say?
It doesn't say not. You know what it says. What does NO spell?
He's not even giving any specifics as to what he means by that.
On